Hey, it's Bella. It's been a minute. The last time I uploaded here was in 2017, and back then I was in a really tough place. I made a video talking about being raised by a narcissist, struggling with my mental health, and how I was having panic attacks just from driving my car. It was honestly debilitating, and shortly after that, I stopped uploading. To survive, I moved across the country to live with my dad. I needed to just breathe. I stepped away from YouTube, but I never actually stopped creating. I've been really busy these past 8 years, so here's a quick recap of what I've been up to since then. And in case you're curious, or you just like chaotic life updates, here you go. In 2018, I got my first job working for a resort and country club, making videos, running social media, and it was pretty cool. I was also going to school at the time to become a psychologist. So I was juggling a lot, but I was starting to feel a little bit more stable. Then 2020 hit. I moved in with my fiance, everything seemed fine, and then COVID happened. I lost my job, started spiraling a bit, and I tried coming back to YouTube, but I just couldn't do it. I was still stuck in perfectionism. I hated how I looked, sounded, acted. I just couldn't push through it. Out of desperation, I started an OnlyFans, and it helped me survive financially, but it really took a toll on my self-esteem. I was doing what I had to do, but I wasn't okay. In 2022, things kind of exploded again. I lost my job again, and my relationship ended. I stopped doing OnlyFans, and I hit another low. But I also started rebuilding. I got a new job in marketing, finished my bachelor's degree, and eventually switched majors to go after my master's in marketing instead. In 2023, I was doing eBay live auctions, hosting a coin show of all things, and I realized how much I miss this. Talking to you, creating, just making weird stuff because it brings me joy. So 2024 was a turning point. I came out. Turns out I'm not bisexual, I'm gay. I met my now wife on Hinge, graduated with my master's, and finally felt like things were clicking into place. And it's 2025. I've started a new job, I'm married, I'm making art again almost every day, and I'm finally, slowly crawling out of the depression hole that I've been stuck in. I want to start creating YouTube videos again, especially on this channel, but I really don't know what to do. I know everything has changed in the past 8 years. The world is much crazier. No one's really doing top 10s anymore or conspiracy theory videos, so I'm curious to see what you guys, if anyone is still here, is interested in seeing. In the meantime, if you would like to see my art, I've also created a new YouTube, which is called, well, I'll link it in the description. If you're interested, you can see the art that I've been creating. If you made it this far, thank you. If you're still subscribed to me somehow, thank you. I look forward to talking to you in the future.